Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
What up? We back. We are back. We are back. What happened there? So pushed up. Kind of just pulled back here. Are we gonna sweep this London low? Is that what we're doing? Gonna sweep the London low? Come on, Max. We're back below initial balance here. Kind of looks like we might want to take out that London low, but man, kind of a tricky spot, to be honest. Where am I? Let's see. 5-4. I'm trying to look and see what account I want to trade. Yeah, we'll go with this one. 0329. Oh, 0329. What up, Knowledge Hub? Danielle, 89. How's it going? All right. I mean, I don't know, man. We got an SMT at the low. It's like, are we going to hold this here and just rip right back up, or are we going to run this London low down here is the question. Overnight high still there. That retest already kind of paid once. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Knowledge Hub. It's like I'm bullish, but like the run of that London low kind of makes sense. I mean, it's still 40 points down there. Put the ES down to 88. I don't know. I feel like I missed the entry here. All right, we'll jump in on an eval. Risk 10 points, maybe for the run down into like the 50 area. Let's put the stop at like 76. We'll see. I don't know. I'm bullish here, but it very well could go down a little bit. We'll see. We have equal highs. It's no, we don't. Kind of get back above the initial balance low here, then maybe we run. See what the ES has to say here. Let me look at the ES. Not like it's gonna talk to me. Marcin, what up? All right, let's get some music going. What do we want? We'll just play this. Whiskey time. So we can run back through the low here. That's what I'm looking for. Run back through 60. Where's the London low at down there? 24s? I just don't know that we can do that. I don't know that that happens. What time is it? 3:30 here in 30 seconds. Circulate like a Sunday paper. Watch the hard turn sideways. What up, Essen? I think I'm a long here. Stop at the low. Stop at the low here. Below the low. I'm going to take one off at 81. Actually, 81. Kind of that 50 EMA. Stayed away from the pyramid board games. Cash before fame. SMT at the bottom. ES recovering the 94. Expecting a little bit of a squeeze here. We did inverse the hourly and the 4 hour. I like that run. I don't know that we have time to do it this afternoon. That run into 902. I don't know that we got time for that, but you know, we could look for a push up here. Sorry if that's loud. Oops. Probably blew your ears out. I want to see ES reclaiming 97. Was a positive option skew? Maybe. You got the VWAP up there, the 818 area. It's kind of what I'm targeting, but I'm thinking maybe more than that. Again, let's see. What would that give us? That's 27. 40s, 37, 47, 43. So 860. All right. ES gets back above 97 here. I may add one more. And take kind of like a 5-10 point scalp on it from 90 to 100. 90 to the whole number. Might add one more here. If ES can reclaim 97. Not doing it so far. Can we go? Can we go? I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting. Look for a spot to maybe add. Yes, back to the 94. It's kind of chopping that level. That I did last week. Come on, rip it up. I'll probably leave this on here. 14 points. If it hits the stop, we will be red, but I'll look for a re-entry, potentially. Actually, you know what? I'm going to close it, break even, and I'll look for another spot to enter. It doesn't really make sense to stop out. Yes, it's kind of making its way back towards the low. Easy. We get back above 94, I'll get back in again. What up, Clarity? We do have an account giveaway going on, guys. You can choose a Tradeify account, a My Funded Futures core account, or a any size Apex account. I think the Tradeify is an advanced account. All right, getting back in here. And I probably should just marry this bias here. That's probably what I should do. Back above 90, I am going to add another, by the way. If we can kind of get above 87.50 here on a close, we'll add. Trying to smash the end of the day here. So we get a close here. Oof. Oofka. I don't love that close, but I'll stick with the plan. In fact, we'll just do it like that. Breaks through the high. We'll add one for the run into the whole number. What up, Kid Poker? Kid Poker, let me look up your question because I never saw it. I'm assuming you asked it on YouTube somewhere. Let me see. For some reason, it's not giving me those notifications sometimes. Oh, so I see it now. Come on, ribbit. Get back above 90 here. I think we just rip right into the whole number. All right. About to get tagged in here, guys. That second push through 90, usually we get a nice little burst. I actually could probably take it up to like 805, 804. Let's go to like 804, 803.75. I want to see kind of little expansion above this level here. Just rip. Need ES to get above 97 here, and we just go. Don't want to see ES reject at 97 this time. I want to see it rip right through there. There we go. Should see a decent sized candle here. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Stop messing around with methodical and get it. Come on, you can do it. Yes, kind of holding up at the 97. I needed to pop through there. Like I said, I expect a burst of energy once it does. I expect a burst. It's testing it. Man, do we just not have it in us today to get moves? I know we haven't moved very much. 5 minute just closed above. We got low resistance liquidity all the way up to 820. Kind of generated liquidity there up to 820. Algorithmic. There we go. Now we're starting to get a little speed-ish. Easy. A little speed-ishy. I don't know. In relation to what we've been having. I want to see expansion right up through there. We're at the 200 EMA there. I didn't even notice that. I know you got more in you. Come on now. Thinking about actually moving this up. I'm going to move this up. I'm going to go 810. This little rejection off the whole number here, I think the next push gets us up into the 810s. And then let's look. Nice looking wick up here, kind of 841 maybe. Into the end of the day. See if we get enough energy to make that happen. Can we get the energy to make it happen? I don't know. Rejecting at the 200 now, but ES is above the 97. This next push should take us into the 810s. Although to be honest, we're not showing a whole lot of like energy here. It's the number one stunner. We go around and go straight to the bottom, to down the inside. Proud of Gucci, full England. Gucci sweater. I'm going to push it up to 811 here. I think this next push, we got a decent sized candle here, back above the high here. I want to see a little expansion right into that 811 area. Let's see. Can we do it? Can the nasty girl do it? The sweet girl, I mean, not the nasty girl. She's the sweet girl. The sweet girl. Oh. Did we leave the... Hold on one second. I don't know if I left the door unlocked for my son. I did not. All right. Come on, breaking out here. We can go. Let's go. 811 on deck. Let's go. Got that wick right there, sitting up there, 811. Now is the time. We're 30 seconds from the new 15-minute candle here. Next to last 15-minute candle of the day. Rookie, press that button. Oh, come on. Just not enough energy to get through there. We need something to take us through there. Maybe this next candle can. Here's a new 5 and 15-minute candle here. 5 minutes until the murder bot. Come on, rip it. Rip it. ES is above 6,500 right here, testing it. We're long 2 minis currently. Why the markets turns the second your account's blowing? I don't know, Morning Bear. Oh, come on. 0575 is actually was the level on the 5 minute, but I just think I just thought we got through. I thought we'd get through there. That's normally where I would have taken it at 0575. Max, you think you could chill out with all the barking?
Oh, no. Come on.
Come on, get through there. Let's do it. ES up to 6501 and a quarter here. VWAP 6503 there on the ES. Expect we'll get a little bit reaction there. Have I tested a strategy to enter at the stop loss level? I've heard that, Morning Bear. It's not necessarily something I really believe in. I'm going to take one off right there. ES kind of approached that VWAP there, so. And then I'm going to kind of move the stop to break even with the idea that I may move it down depending upon how we react to the murder bot here in a couple of minutes. But no, I haven't really tested that. I have I've looked at that, the idea of that. Oh, I don't know what happened there. I accidentally muted myself. Let's see what happens here at the murder bot, guys. Enter the giveaway if you want. Exclamation point cash. We got a minute and a half until the murder bot. ES is held up there at the VWAP. Is it going to get rejected or is it going to go? I think we go to the moon going into the end of the day. What do you guys think? Are we going to the moon? Depends on what your definition of the moon is, I guess. There is a wick right there on the 5 minute at 23.50. My daughter done got on my bed and lost her phone.
Bro, it ate my phone.
It did not eat your phone.
Yes, it did.
You just need 20 points. Well, let's get the 20 points. Let's have it rip. I think the murder bot's probably going to be a dud. I'm going to be honest. All right, here it is. 5 seconds. All right. Well, it dudded down. Come on. Lots of volume on the mags. Maxie, chill out. Little triple top there, double top on the ES. I'm still looking for this thing to push. I'm just going to put the stop at the low. Might get a 30-second re-entry here. I will add back if we inverse this with momentum. Inverse back to the upside here with momentum. Close above 807. I will add back. Usually the 55 and the 50 invert each other. So if the 50 goes down, the 55 usually goes up. I don't know if that's something you guys have ever noticed. I have. I still think the draw is higher. I mean, low resistance liquidity still rests to the upside up until 822, to be honest. Kind of this wick up here. 823.75. But we do have a wick that kind of is just obvious up there at 838. So we'll see kind of what happens. Maybe going into the end of the day, we just take like 823. If we can get it. Yeah, we'll see, T. Cooper. The 54 candle sometimes does. Sometimes it gives you a little insight as to what might happen. Now listen, we do still have the London low down here. So one of two things are going to happen. We're either going to push up into the 820s and end up somewhere in here, or we're going to fill the gap and end up somewhere in here. Just depends on what the stronger draw is here. What's going to be the stronger draw? I don't know. Could be the London low. And if you don't know, don't want to hold you down. To the moon, maybe. Maybe to the moon. From a comet thief. Spread love is the Brooklyn way. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Appreciate you. We got 2 minutes or a minute and a half until the 8:55. We got about 20 seconds until 8:54. ES already back above 03s here. It's either a good thing or a bad thing. I guess we'll figure it out. I'm thinking about adding one here. I'm going to add one and look for a quick 10 points off this push. I think we get the push through 810s one more time here. And through 810, I think I go stop to break even on the runner and see if it can roll, how far it can go. What up, Juan? Trader Oracle in the house. What up? All right, guys, got about 30 seconds. I don't like how the ES looks here, to be honest with you. It's kind of pulling back already, but we're going to hold it. We're going to hold it. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, guys. We need a north shot. That's not really north yet. Ish. There we go. Get above 800 here, we squeeze. If we can get above 800, we squeezy. McSqueezerson. Squeezy McSqueezerson. If we lose kind of this wick at 85, then it's not going to be a good sign. ES is already at the 65.05. It's above the local high. And Nasdaq's just not going. Either ES is going to bring us up with it, or we're about to see a big dump. And get ready to close here just in case. ES is still pushing here. It's right there at the 05s, which is the key level. That was kind of the next target on the ES when it reclaimed that 04 at 94 area. Let's see if it can drag the Nasdaq up with it. Come on, ES, pump it. Pump it. I'm going to get ready to close it, because if the ES loses this level, if it does not get above it, then we're going to be in trouble. Come on, rip it, ES. Let's go. If you want to see what I'm looking at, there it is. Come on, ES, rip it. We need the ES to squeeze into that 65.10 area. NVIDIA's shitting the bed. Oh. That's not what we want to see. All right, I'm out of that. I'm out of that. Congratulations on the wedding. What up, crazy Chris? Might get back in. ES is making another run at it. All right, we're going to give it another run, but only on one this time. Oh, goodness. Getting rejected again. That's rude. Do we not have the power to get above there? Come on. That's going to be the key level there. If we reject there, then we're going to just get down here. We're just going to go down. RSP moonshotted. All right, I'm going to get out of this one again. All right. Just taking a couple of knife cuts here. ES rejected off that level pretty hard. I knew the ES had to get above there to go. Just didn't do it. You mother trucker. All right, coming into the final minute here. Let's see what the ES does. Hold on. I'm going to look for a spot here. I'm going to look for a spot. Yeah, we'll see, LAFTA. All right, back on the long. Will it stop? Yes, pop the 05s there. All right, let's get this run back up higher right quick. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway here. God dang it. Why do I keep doing that? I keep dropping it too late. All right, here we go. Now let's drop. Why is it doing that? It's not letting me drop it. It's weird. All right. It wouldn't let me drop it. I don't know. All right, guys, we're about to do the giveaway. We really didn't make any money on that. It's okay, right? It's not the end of the world. Really didn't make much money on that at all. Show you guys the P&Ls here. That's the account we were trading there. You can see it made nothing. Even though I was up like $600 or $700 on the trade at one point in time, I let it come back on me. But small green day across the board, $44. Nothing crazy. We'll take it. And then show you guys what else we did. Velanox eval up 29 bucks. Trading futures desk up 180. My funded futures up 190. Take profit trader. Smoked. That's the transparency for you. That's the transparency. All right, guys, let's draw the winner. And the winner is... Well, I don't know why it does that. It freezes sometimes. The winner is the Knowledge Hub. Let's go. Marcin rigged right away. The Knowledge Hub, are you here? The Knowledge Hub, are you here? The Knowledge Hub, shoot me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Screenshot your account showing you're logged in. And then tell me whether you want an Apex account, a Tradeify account, or a My Funded Futures account. I think the Tradeify account's I think it's an advanced account. It might be growth, I'm not sure. Apex any size eval, and then My Funded Futures is going to be a core account. Apex is any size. The other two are 50Ks. The other two are 50Ks. But you can let me know in the eval or in the email what you want. That's going to do it for me, guys. I don't know if I'll be back this afternoon or not. We will see this evening. We probably are going to be playing poker, though. So if you guys want to join the poker tonight, you can. Max is just chilling, Lambo. He's over there chilling. Come here, Maxie. Oh, see if I can get him. You get mad at me. Oh. You got the scale. Yeah, I think it's a core Morningstar. I don't know, though. It might be scale. Oh, you're thinking about Funded Futures? Yeah, that's cool. But if you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me on the way out. Again, I'll be back maybe this evening, maybe not. If not, you'll see me this afternoon. Appreciate you guys watching. And Max says, see you next time. Isn't that right, Max? Tell him. Give him an exit wolf. No? All right, then.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be
Order
resilient,
filled.
don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading
Order
isn't
filled.
for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Order submitted.